Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chuparama. Tonight on Uzalo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Mtambisi is not an easy target which Vega soon realizes. And it seems like Nomaswazi wants to finish about Mtambisi. He tries to attack Mtambisi, but Mtambisi survives on Nomaswazi shot. And it seems like Nomaswas does not want to give up on killing Ntambisi. While Nkunzi comes down harder on Pastor Kwala when he points out what a bad father he is to Kazmulo. Kazmulo seems like he is happy about his father's decision for entering the competition. While Mtambisi realized that there is someone who wants to kill him. Mondli is on a illness on home. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.